Thank you. Welcome everyone. Cucumber has many medicinal healing properties for our body. Many people think that cucumber is a vegetable, but by definition cucumber is a fruit. It develops from the flower of the cucumber plant and contains the seeds, so it's botanically a fruit. So, that magical fruit, yes, that cucumber can do many wonderful things for the organs, tissues and cells of your body. When it comes to hydration, our body consists of 65 to 70% water, and cucumbers consist mostly of water, and they also contain important electrolytes. So for people that don't drink a lot of water, cucumbers is one of the most hydrating foods that you can put inside your body. When it comes to cardiovascular health, cucumbers provides 193 milligrams of potassium and 17 milligrams of magnesium, and the fiber of the cucumber helps manage cholesterol and prevents related cardiovascular problems. If you have diabetes or even high blood sugar, specific substances within the cucumber will help lower blood sugar or stop blood glucose from rising too high. This will also help your insulin levels. And when it comes to losing weight, cucumbers are light on calories, heavy on nutrients. It's a healthy snack, and it's a great choice to lose those pounds. Cucumbers will help detoxify the body. It will remove those harmful toxins. It helps aid the liver in cleaning up the blood, helping the toxins get out of your system. The enzymes and high water content will further aid the liver and will stimulate the kidneys so toxins can be excreted in the urine. Cucumber is known to help many diseases as well as certain cancers. The compounds found in cucumber has been able to reduce many different cancers in its early stages. As we grow older, it's common for our eyes to begin to fail. Oil conditions such as cataracts will have a negative effect on our sight, while wrinkles can have an impact on our appearance. The good news, though, is that cucumber is able to prevent cataracts while also slowing down wrinkling. For a healthy, smooth, beautiful complexion, cucumber can do wonders for you. It is a good source of vitamin E because it's mostly made up of water, as well as its natural anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It makes a good moisturizer for the skin. Our bones can become brittle and weak if not nourished sufficiently, and this can lead to many complications. Cucumbers are an excellent source of various vitamins that will help keep your bones in optimal health. Cucumbers will give you a healthy digestive system. If you're having any kind of stomach or intestinal problems, eat cucumbers. Cucumbers contain erection, which is an enzyme that helps the stomach to digest food properly. It also contains plenty of fiber, which is well known to be essential for a healthy digestive tract. Blood is constantly being pumped around your body, supplying it with nutrients and oxygen, and it's extremely important that your blood pressure is regulated. Cucumbers are a great source of potassium, fiber, and magnesium, all of which can help the body in maintaining a healthy blood pressure. So if you're having high blood pressure, make sure you're eating cucumbers. If you want your bad breath to be gone, hold a slice of cucumber on the roof of your mouth with your tongue for 30 seconds. The phytochemicals within that cucumber will kill the bacteria that's causing that bad breath. If you're feeling stressed, tired, and run down, instead of having that soda, coffee, or any sugary drinks, grab a cucumber. There's enough carbohydrates and B vitamins within that cucumber to give you that longer lasting boost of energy. And if you're feeling constipated, the cucumber will help stimulate peristalsis, which is movement within the intestines. Eating cucumbers will support regular bowel movement. Cucumbers are high in water and promote hydration, and staying hydrated will improve stool consistency. The fiber within the cucumber will help regulate bowel movements and keep you healthy. So, if you run down, your body's stagnated, you're under stress, your diet is poor, start adding cucumbers and you will see miraculous changes. Please share this video with your friends and family. Leave your comments below, and most important, make it a great day. I'm Dr. Alan Mandel.